Hi, and welcome to Menina Creations. We're putting together another special mix with various chemicals. This Bettercrete is something that's really becoming one of my favorites lately. And along with other stuff, I put basic polymers in all my mixes. This is kind of a must for a good rich mix. All right, this is the custom pour we are making today. Amaya, you want to explain it?
Sure thing. So first thing we're going to go over is because the last time we made a video, which was last night, we were explaining on how these were for his feet, or his heel.
These extra extension rods to help hold his legs.
Keep his foot together and making sure it stays like this for the concrete pour to go up.
Yeah. So what we pouring today inside here?
I'm gonna take one of these.
Oh yeah, specialty tools, huh?
So we have these specialty tools, which we're gonna take a little bit of concrete, only a little bit, and we're gonna pour it in here, up to around here, I'd say.
Yeah, so it's gonna be real tedious to get that concrete. It's just gonna go inside his foot, right?
Yep.
And then this is for a later pour. It's going to connect those rods to these rods, right?
Yep.
So when we pour, someday we're going to pour a concrete slab here. How high is that going to go?
It's going to go up to the top of this.
Top of those nails, right?
And it's going to be evened out.
Yeah. So this slab will hold Lincoln up really good. So we got the special mix ready to go. And this is my trusty tool. And oh, look at Maya's got one. If she found this in her plate.
I found
set.
this as like a very small.
Maybe we could scoop some of it in with that. So that's the pour. Okay, Maya's gonna explain what we're gonna pour in the future for his legs. What do we want to do? What's the look we're going for?
The look we're going for is kind of like a rock, where it's gonna be kind of bumpy, or maybe high, maybe low. This is gonna get expanded more. So you won't.
That's why we have these nails. So this slab will come out even more and higher. So a rock. Wouldn't it look good if he's standing on a rock?
Most likely, yeah. That's our plan,
But,
for it to be on a rock.
yeah.
Our original plan was going to be grass, but we think rock would just.
Grass is boring. Yeah. Yeah. So we're still deciding, but we're leaning more towards a rock, right? So putting these mixes together is the total key to making it work. It's not your regular concrete. It has so much stuff in there, it's very strong. Strong as steel at times, believe it or not. Okay, you ready to go to work, Amaya?
Yep. We'll see you later, Meninas. Make sure to like and subscribe. You don't have to, but it really helps out us a lot.
Yeah, with our videos. All right, thanks for watching.